Coconuts TV.
Hindi na namin alam na may gig ngayon dito sa May Luneta. Talaga nagpunta lang kami talaga dito para mag-practice. Ako po si Judiel Buhain and I'm makeup artist and old beauty queen. A gay beauty queen, hilig namin is mag-pageant. Pero ngayon kami mga professional, hirap na kami sumali kasi wala nang pageant para sa amin. Napunta na sa mga Miss Gay Teens. Ngayon, dapat sila naman ngayon ang turuan ko na ipasok ko naman yung kaalaman ko at ililipat ko sa kanila. Ngayon, ang pinapractice kasi namin talaga usually is paglalakad. Pag question and answer, marunong sila, kaya nila. Yung siguro, pangarap ko talaga magkaroon ng isang gay community na ako mismo magtatayo at tuturuan ko lahat ng bakla na bata. Hindi lang yung para sa kabataan nila, pati sa pag-angat nila sa buhay, pati sa pagtanda nila. Hindi ko lang naman din tinuturo about sa pageant. Tuturuan ko din sila paano sila mabubuhay. Minsan kasama ko sila sa mga racket ko na pagpa-flower arrange, pag-makeup. Siguro kami mga bakla, nandito lang kami para tumulong sa kanila. Kaya kami nilikha ng Diyos upang magpasaya at magpangiti sa mga tao.
Because most homosexuals, deep inside them, have accepted through conditioning that they are second-class citizens. For me, acceptance is not important because even in the heterosexual world, people discriminate. Just give me the same rights because it is not about romance. It is about laws. It is about medical benefits. It is about inheritance. It is about adoption.
In Manila, I've been attending the Pride marches since 2010. Any other foreigner, for example, that comes here and marries a woman will get this Bayan visa that can stay here as a married. I don't have that privilege. I think the Philippines is a good platform in Asia to bring this forward because Philippines is a free country, but it's not enough to be just out. Yes, I can see a progress. I can see more groups. What I still miss is that there are too many people aside the street, gay people, lesbians standing at the side of the street watching the march but not joining. And my hope within the next 5 years again that we can get those people in, but as an individual to stand tall and say yes, we are here and we want equality.